We've just found your own sock which you lost. We're going to get some breakfast now, so do we take the camera with us to breakfast?
Might as well.
Might as well do it. Just checking the room over to make sure we've not left anything. I had a good enough night's sleep. It's pretty good, warm. Well, it's actually quite cold this morning because the radiator was off all night. And there's snow on top of the mountains. There is indeed snow up there. Look at that. Yeah, we're going to get off to more waterfalls first. Ewan's doing a turtle. We'll try and do this in one, shall we? Yeah. So let's take everything down with us. Put the lens cap on the camera so that saves one thing. So David is currently checking out, and had a good night's sleep in this hotel. Well, actually, no, it wasn't an amazing night's sleep. I kept waking up, but had this amazing view, which makes up for it. Stunning view. And we're heading off to some waterfalls today, and then after that we're going to try power it up as far north as possible because we've got a long way to go. It's about another 1,000 miles up, and we'll run out of days quickly doing this. So yeah, we'll have to slum it for a couple more days in the back of the car, I think, and we'll be on it. Just waiting for David now. He's taking his time because when we got down, there doesn't seem to be anyone actually in the hotel. It's the most empty hotel I've ever seen. Like, I think there's 1 or 2 people working here, and the person who does do the reception is never there. So, God knows, but I think it'll be all good. You're not paid yet? And I was like, well, I think I have. And then apparently his colleague hadn't put it into the system or something. Oh, nice. But it's quite a nice view there, isn't it? Yeah. Let's go. Right. Peaches, plums, whatever they are, nectarines. And we are back for what seems like forever because, oh my bum, it's this drive is taking a while. It takes so long to get places because you're just going around the coast like this because they can't build roads up there because it's a mountain. Up there. They can't build roads down there because it's water. So we're just kind of here, just going along the coast. And it's taking forever. I'm about to go through a tunnel, which is quite interesting. We've gone through many tunnels this time. Yeah, we've gone through a lot of tunnels. Very nearly finished. Day 2 vlog. It's actually looking really good. And is it day 5 today or day 6? I can't remember, something like that. Day 6, I think. So once again, this is even worse than Iceland. We are behind very far. It doesn't matter because we're having a good time. We're having a very good time. But yeah, all is well. This tunnel is 1.5 kilometers coming up. Yeah. Spirits are still high. We had a good meal this morning. We had a big breakfast. Big breakfast. Very big breakfast. Sausage, egg, beans. Beans we didn't even have to cook ourselves. It was good beans. There's a roundabout in the tunnel! Oh my god! There's a roundabout in the tunnel! Come on, focus. I told you that I saw a picture of this! Right, so guys, we found a roundabout in the tunnel. Like, what's the actual hell? Do you know what we're going to do, Ewan? Do a whole 360. No, there's people coming now. Or can we? I did it the right way, didn't I? I think so, yeah. I just suddenly panicked, like, wait, which way do you run roundabouts again? So, first roundabout I've ever seen in a tunnel. That's how much Norway people love their tunnels. They love their tunnels. They really do love tunnels. And I love the tunnels too. There's a bridge. There's a bridge. Oh, it's actually quite big. See, this is Norway. It's tunnels, bridges, and the lots of laybys actually, with toilets and everything. Yeah, posh laybys. Yeah, posh. Not like English laybys, but the toilets like you don't even want to. You can't look at the building. That's how gross it is. Yeah, there's a few creepy men in cars. No, I don't think we're going across the bridge. Oh, yeah, we are. Oh yeah. We are. We're going there. Don't worry. I think. So yeah, all is well. Tummies are full. Hello and welcome to day 6 of the vlog. Well, not welcome. You've already been here for a bit. But on day 2, I had a little bit of a mishap with a puddle. Well, a crater, and my shoe. I fell in, including my shoe. The shoe went the deepest. This shoe is still wet, and I cannot wear it because it is sopping still inside.
4 days later.
4 days later.
Still wet.
It's almost bearable. This one's not so bad. This other one there is quite wet inside. Squelchy.
So much like waterproof stuff.
Well, the waterproof stuff I think kept the water out, but once the water got in, it was just like, so how do you expect me to get out now, David? So I don't even know what I'm meant to do about it. Hey guys, we are at, what's the place again? Is it a foss of some kind?
It's a foss.
A big foss.
Just parked up here.
Actually a long foss.
Got a nice view down the distance. Now we're about to go see a foss.
We're gonna go see if there's any no drone signs. Hi MTV, welcome to my foss.
Whoa!
100 metre.
I nearly got the camera. Oh my god. We got this fat boy, we got this thin boy, we got this extra thin boy.
We bowling tonight, I got that long river.
Long river.
Tell the audience what it means, David.
It says, you are here. So this is a pimple. This is the height of the waterfall from its last touching a rock. This is some other height.
Tell us the story of the foss.
The foss was originally only known by the locals until a traveller coming to study astronomy came across it, and 2 men showed him the waterfall, and he thought, that's got to be at least half a furringding or something like that, which is 300 metres. And so then he measured it by throwing stones off and timing it with his stopwatch and using the Suvat equations to work out the height. And then later on, they used a tape measure and found it to be actually quite big. Then skip a few hundred years, they built a car park, put some fences up, and was like, come buy our food and stay in our hotel.
Make money, technically. So yeah.
Welcome to Norway. We're currently sat underneath this tarpaulin here.
Yeah.
It is wet, it is dripping from the roof. And yeah, we're in here behind this red tape because we were naughty. But we're waiting for the rain to stop, and it's nearly stopped, Ewan.
Really?
Very nearly stopped. But look at that view. That fog there. Trying to fly some drones. Yeah, do you know what time it is?
What time is it, David?
It's drone time.
So guys, so we've just finished filming the foss. We've got some cool photos. David finally got his drone up, just. The rain stopped and stayed off, to be honest, which is good.
So we're going back to the car now, and we're continuing to the next fjord.
Yes, so got a while to drive, but we're gonna do it.
We are indeed.
Get some snacks in our bellies.
Oh yeah, I think we might do a bit of cooking.
Do a bit of cooking. Lunchtime.
Back to the car.
In a bit. Hello, and welcome to Ewan Cooks the World. Today on Ewan Cooks the World we have the finest gourmet food around. So we have beans and sausage. That's pretty good. And thinking maybe side order of beans and burgers. So yeah, we got the beans, burgers, beans and sausage,
Hobnob.
a bit of cokey, living the high life. To the hob. First step of Ewan's Kitchen of the World is to turn the hob on. Here we go.
Some flames.
Yes.
Well, that's warm, that's
warm, toasty.
Oh.
Butane, propane, flame right there. Now, get this bit of this water. H2O.
What gas mark we set on, Ewan?
We're on max.
Maximum gas mark.
Maximum gas mark.
Gas mark 4.
We're on it. It's on. Now we wait. We wait for them bubbles to rise. Rise.
How long does this take?
I don't know. That's the thing with Ewan's Kitchen, you never know what's happening next. So, peeps, as you can see, I'm not wearing my hat anymore because in Ewan's Kitchen there are no hats.
What?
So we put the mixture in the water. Now we're waiting for it to bubble. Watch those bubbles rise. Once they start to rise, we wait approximately 8 whole minutes. That is, how many seconds is that? News just in. That is 480 seconds.
I'm not even sure it's boiling yet, man.
We're back in Ewan's Kitchen. We think the meal's nearly ready.
It's been on for 10 minutes.
I think it's time to pull it out. Are you ready, guys?
Oh yeah.
Give it a quick wiggle, get that excess water off the thing. And then we rip it. We rip it good. Give it a good shake.
That's enough shaking, man.
Now for the piece de resistance. The rip. The smell. The flavours going through your
You
nostrils.
should get the next one on, or whatever, leave it.
Are you ready, guys? Oh. Oh, look, that's juicy.
Out of focus so much video. Keep ripping.
Look at that juicy goodness.
Pop a rope, pop the hood. The noise.
You ready, guys? Look at that, guys. We have very
It looks mad.
near to the top. Ewan's Kitchen has produced this gourmet beautiful meal that David is going to try. Look at that big chunk of cheese in there.
Oh, lovely.
Right.
Here is the best part of the in any chef's dream is to please his customers, and to please his customers, we give them the finest cutlery ever.
Oh,
The
it's
spork.
cooked.
Have a spork, David.
Yeah, I gotta have one of them. I can't.
That's
I
the
gotta-
whole Ewan's Kitchen experience. You have to take the spork off yourself.
I can't do it, man.
Time for the all-important taste.
Okay, do I go for spoon or fork?
Every
Spoon.
chef's dream to please his customers with the finest food around. He digs in.
There's a whole burger in here, man.
He
There's a whole burger. Okay. Smells okay. I mean, presentation is a 10. Taste is a 10. Cookedness 3. It's about 3 out of 10 cooked. The view 11.
See, Ewan's Kitchen never fails to please.
Good meal.
Good meal.
5
10 out
stars.
of 10. Time to eat my food.
This has been Ewan's Cooks Around the World, or Ewan, whatever it was. Ewan.
You called Ewan's Kitchen.
Ewan Cooks the World, everyone. See you next time, tomorrow. We're back again. This is my food this time. The food is boiling nearly a little bit. The handle's got too hot to hold. It's only the best safety precautions in Ewan's Kitchen. In Ewan's Kitchen, we have the finest people. I think you can see to our right. Right.
Ewan's Kitchen.
The best kind of kitchen. time to have the meal. The finest meal, the finest chef around. Are you ready? Once again, most important time. She's steaming. Can we get her open just with this method? I have to stick the spoon in. Spoon is going in. Oh, look at that. Beans, sausage, grim. Smells like sausage. Open her up a bit.
Wait, I need to get that picture. I need to get the...
We'll have the first sausage.
Go on.
That is amazing.
As you can see, the customer is always happy. See, David is just loving it so much. He has to throw it back up to eat it again.
Yep, really good food. Really good.
We're back again with Ewan's kitchen. We have the finest
Pot washers in the world. Look at that. Look how efficient, clean, thorough that cleaning is.
Sparkly.
I hire only the best.
Thanks, Ewan.
Please come to Ewan's kitchen.
So we're now at Vangaven, which is some little area at the end of a fjord. Meant to be the prettiest fjord in Norway. You can see a lot of cloud.
Well, yeah. You can see a lot of cloud. There's some waterfalls over to our right. There's some. That's not bad, they are, aren't they?
That's the thing I was on about. I think.
Would say.
One of them, yeah.
What?
Oh look, like shacks over there. Where's maybe Viking town? Oh, it's a Viking town. So we've got to find a place to stay. We'll update you later. Gundevagen, which is a smaller but prettier fjord. We have a river, which is very clear. You can see through it. It's quite green, but you can see through it.
You can't really see through it on the camera. Look at that
bridge there.
Worst bridge here. The Viking town. That's where the Vikings come from. Just pillage the village.
We're locked on 200 ISA. Why have we done that?
So if you have
I've messed up
any
all the settings.
Viking ancestry in you come from here.
That's how that works.
Pretty much.
Is it cold?
Oh.
Is it really?
Sure, if you like ease your way in.
Nah, you can't ease your way in, Ewan. Well, you can, but
But ease your way in, and then you film yourself jumping in. Because if you just jump in, and your heart fails.
I don't think it just works like that.
You know, if you jump into really cold water, the shock you can have
How's your ice cream, Ewan?
It's very good. It's soft shake chocolate muck. What I mean? I'm guessing it's chocolate. Tastes like chocolate. Looks like chocolate.
Have a look at that. Mmm, delicious.
How was your ice cream?
Ice cream was pretty good. Not as good as this view. Wow. And look up there.
Hey guys, so we've just found our place we're going to sleep tonight, we think. It's
Just up there, up that slippy hill, because we're on the edge of this new fjord, which is
Brand new.
absolutely stunning and massive. We're sleeping in the car up there, and tomorrow we've booked some kayaks to rent, which we'll be picking up down there at those lights, if you can see them. And then we're going to kayak all the way up here, get the drone, get some cool drone stuff.
It's not worth flying the drone now, it's too dark.
Okay, that's fine. But we're going to, tomorrow, we're going to, come back down here, pick up the drone, get some cool drone stuff for kayaking about. Get some cool GoPro stuff, hopefully.
Yeah.
And yeah, should be pretty cool. Probably one of the prettier places we've stayed in the car.
Wait, what time is sunset? Bear with. Sunset is in 5 minutes.
Oh.
You wouldn't have known, would you?
Nope. It's like we're in a big tunnel almost, because the clouds just stay over the top of the mountains. And they don't really move.
Okay, so
yeah, we're going to set up some camp, or some time lapses, or anything really.
we're going to set a time lapse up about either focusing on that tree or this tree.
We've got too much to choose from. Little trees, big trees, tiny trees, rocks, rain.
Hello fellow campers, we are in the car after a very rainy, cold, miserable soup that we had down there. It was very damp, a lot of rainwater in the soup, but however the soup tasted alright.
It did, but it did take about half an hour to cook,
Yeah.
and we're not entirely sure why.
It took a while, and it tasted alright. We mixed tomato and vegetable, I think.
Yep, tomato and vegetable
Wasn't
soup.
too bad. And then we came up here, got dry, sat in the car, finished watching the latest vlog, number 2. We should be happy to know that it's up soon, even though this will be up long after you see this. And yeah, it's looking pretty good.
So we're just going to export it now. I'm going to try and upload it on Ewan's 4G.
Some computer inception here. Importing a vlog, while editing a vlog, while filming a vlog. So we're going to get this uploaded. Hopefully you'll be pleased by it. We'll be proud of it this time, won't we?
I think, yeah, it was a really good one. I'm not sure any of the next ones are going to do anything good for it.
100 times better than the first one anyway.
Are we going to possibly do some kayaking tomorrow?
Yeah, we've emailed them, and hopefully they'll be emailing us back tomorrow morning, and we'll go out kayaking, get some cool drone shots, some cool GoPro photos. So we've just discovered that David has a tick.
It's not good.
Not good. Yeah.
Got it.
Nice. And
The wound looks perfectly clean as well.
you're perfect. You're good then.
Cool.
Yep. Throw that boy outside.
It said don't throw it outside. It says kill them.
Well, that's surgery with David Thompson.
That hurt.
See you tomorrow morning.
Bye.
Love you and leave you. Bye.